Good morning. Today is April. What the fuck am I saying? Today is June 15th. It's a Sunday, also known as Father's Day of 2025. And here I am working out by playing pickleball in the fucking rain. As you can see, the courts are totally empty. Playing with my brother Ira, my boy David, and Austin's right there. This is low-key kind of diabolical by playing in the rain, but hey man, it is what it is. Because we came all here to Brooklyn already, or at least we drove out here. I drove out here. But yeah, this is my workout for today, which is pickleball in the rain. Oh, that's the title. That's the title of today's vlog, I guess you could say. Maybe? Okay, bye-bye.
Shawty, what's your problem? Why you ain't vibing with me? Yeah, keeping eyes on something else. Can you not see what you need? Yeah, 7 now, make it 7 again. See the sunrise with me.
Should've gave you something like told you ain't no shaming, I mean no. Don't you shut your friends and don't play, you know you gotta get some dough. I said I won't let you down, except for the night we're around.
Tell me what's wrong, baby. 나도 모르는 얘기를 늘어놔요. I don't know why 뭐가 문제인지 even reason cry. Yeah, 이젠 겁이 나 내가 잘못한 건지 아니면 뭘까 가만히 있지만 말고 좀
Tell me, babe, is you gonna trust in me? Put trust in there, you and me though, yeah. Why you gotta act indifferent?
I know there's gotta be a reason, yeah. Don't fool me a lie, just keep them now. I know it's meant up to heal me. Go cut you down times where I need.
Shawty, what's your problem? Why you ain't vibing with me? Yeah, keeping eyes on something else. Can you not see what you need? Yeah, 7 now, make it 7 again. See the sunrise with me.
Should've gave you something like told you ain't no shaming, I mean no. Don't you shut your friends and don't play, you know you gotta get some dough. I said I won't let you down, except for the night we're around.
Shawty don't set it around. 말했잖아 내게 don't say too far. Too much 이 가슴 너와 내 주변에서만 돼 make us go blind. I mean 게 내가 뭔데 아무도 몰랐는 치. 볼 필요 없어 I'm serious. 적어도 나만은 different. 전이 똑같은 느낌.
I told you about my feelings, but why don't you trust what I say? 그림자들과 fighting, 끝이 없이 replay. 알잖아 기대할 것.
Tell me, babe, is you gonna trust in me? Put trust in there, you and me though, yeah. Why you gotta act indifferent?
I know there's gotta be a reason, yeah. Don't fool me or lie, just keep them now. I know it's my not to hear me. Girl, cut you 1,000 times running.
Shawty, what's your problem? Why you ain't vibing with me? Yeah, keeping eyes on something else. Can you not see what you need? Yeah, 7 now, make it 7 again. See the sunrise with me.
So we've arrived here for some Father's Day dinner. The first dish has finally arrived. This is the chicken, crispy chicken. It's kind of crazy that I'm only recording when there's only one thing on the table. I guess I'll record more when the food comes.